Hello, in this video I want to show you USSR lens for rangefinder cameras, which called Jupiter-12. It export edition. It have m39 mount, m39 thread here, and you can mount it on old Lakers, on Feds, on Leningrads, on Zorky. You see? Now I want to show you the work of focus ring. It goes nice and smooth without any problems. Now I want to show you the work of iris. It also goes nice and smooth without any problems. There is a little bit oil on blades, but it doesn't affect on your photos. Front and back glasses are clean without scratches. There is no fungus or haze inside lens, and I think it's in very good condition for these years. It goes with two caps and with original carbide case. Thanks for watching.